computer to unite them, and that symbol is this one, union. Okay, let's check. Understood? If you have two split apart intervals as your answer, and the question is asking your answer in interval notation, you need to put a U. I wish it was only set builder. In set builder, this is what you do. You put this in y bar, first equation, second inequality, and the word or. This is set builder. So make sure, read the statement and see what format your answer is required. It says interval here. Okay, the easy one is over. How about this one? First off, mark where your absolute value is. This is it. And get everything on the side of it. Right side and left side, scan and see if you have anything. I have 3 and -1. Guess what I'm gonna do with them? I will tackle them. Which one is first? -1. We add 1 to both sides. And the right side is 24 now. And
should be 22.
Well, we are adding 1. We are plus 1. So 23 plus 1, 24. Next, we divide both sides by 3. And 3 goes into 24 8 times, right? Correct? 24 is 3 times 8. And 6 plus t is more or equal 8. Now absolute value is alone, right? Yes, you still have a lot of stuff inside, but look at the bars. Is it alone? Do you see anything around them? No. So it's time to use table. Check out which direction is this and what statement uses it. It's statement 2. Wait a minute, you may say, oh, this has an extra piece and you don't have it here. Well, if you like, I can make it. Here you go. Okay, so if you have equality underneath, just change your tool 2 into equalities. Okay, now we have it. You just need to split this into 2 inequalities like that. It says take inside of the absolute value, use inside. So here is u, and that's 6 plus t. Once put it before minus k, which is minus 8, or take the same u and this time make it positive k, which is 8. I made a mistake. Where is the mistake? The second one should be greater, right? It says greater here. Why do I make less? Greater. Greater than the positive case, less than the negative case. That's it. And you bring this inside stuff to the left side. Now we need to get t by itself. So I need to subtract 6 from everybody to get t by itself. So it's negative 14. T is 2. Oh, we are subtracting something. It's negative. Are we going to flip the directions? No, not for subtraction. It's only for multiplication and division. So we are done here, right? Or no, you're not done. This would be your answer if the question was to use set builder notation, requires set builder. This would be the answer, but they want intervals. So I need to graph and see where they unite. Okay, what they unite into. Alright, t less than minus 14 is this guy, and t greater than 2 is this guy, 2 and more. Well, unite this. First, turn this into interval notation, negative infinity, negative 14, and that's 2 infinity, and put a u in the middle and put this answer in the box. Okay? Does it make sense? Is it too fast? Again, I sketched the left side first and then the right side next, and I see they are two separated union. You are uniting blue and green, red. You need to count both in. So I turn them into interval first, from left to right reading, left to right all the time, 2 to infinity, negative 14. Oh, I made a mistake. Nobody called it. Right, this should be a bracket, right? It says equality. It should have been a bracket. Okay? Alright, let's substitute. Wait a minute. Haven't we entered our solution yet? Oh, this is a single part. Okay, 12. What was that number? Negative 14. Union what was it? Good. That took care of homework 7, and section 1.8 is over. The ones that we didn't touch is very similar. Okay, you need to again mark the location of the absolute value and get it all by itself alone. So you need to move this minus 4 from the left side, cancel it first, then apply the toolbar or table, and again get absolute value on its own and use the first table, earlier table, because this is an equality, not